Hello, guys. Welcome to Millionaire University, our question and answer session, daily stock market recap. All our own personal opinions, not investment advice. We're a group of traders. We share ideas, we share our knowledge, and we take questions and answers. Yes, very good day for Ellipsa. Very good day for the bulls. Definitely breaking through here and tagging the 200-day average. Take a look at the 200-day. 200-day is 28.45. So it tagged that in after hours. 28.45. And it's getting pinched. And basically, with the rumors flying around, everything that's out there, it looks like we may have a short squeeze on our hands developing here pretty quick. We can see the accumulation, distribution, unbalanced volume. It hit the top with that big candle 2 weeks ago from 22 to 29. Then it kind of consolidated. People took their profits and we got right back in and boom. And it tagged the 200-day right in after hours. And it was even up nicely for the day today. It had a nice green candle going. The volume was 2.2 million shares, looking really, really sharp. And also on the accumulation distribution line, just really tagging the upper band. And also on the CCI channel, bottoming out, looking like it's ready to move up on the CCI as well. So as far as the indicators are looking, the indicators look good. The options that would say the strike price no more than 35. If you want to make money and they buy it out at 46, guess what happens to your $50 option of March? Anybody want to take a guess? What happens to the 50 March if it gets bought out tomorrow for 46? Who wants to take a guess on that? Okay. Question for everybody. 0. The $50 March is going to be worth 0. Nothing. If it gets bought for 46, you're worth 0. Do not buy anything over 35. Yes. 0. Okay? It's not worth a dime. That's for the market to decide if it's good or bad or ugly or what. But you don't want to be out of the money by that much. You want to be at 30. You want to have a 25 call or a 30 call. Okay? Maximum 35. No more than that. Anything more than that, you're gambling. Simple as that. Okay? You guys don't want to be, you're in a good situation. Keep the options tight. You want to get a March 30. Okay? That's what my advice to you. That's what Raj did. 40s are good when we're talking about back in early December. Okay? They paid beautifully. They went from 50 cents to $1.50. They tripled. Yeah, that was fine back in early December. Now we're going to be coming up on January. So now it's a different ball game. And then the buyout didn't happen back in the last 2 weeks. So if it didn't happen, we have to roll the options. Now when we have to roll it, you want to be at the closest strike as you possibly can. Is that clear to everybody? Closest strike you possibly can to the price of the stock. Okay? So that's kind of where we're at. Yeah, closest price we can possibly be to the price of the stock. Because we're rolling into January, we're rolling into February and March. You guys want to gamble on 50? Go right ahead. Take a gamble. But if they agree to a 46 buyout, it's not going to be worth 110 cents. All right. Now, let's take a look. What else do we have in the market today? So we had Drlipsa huge. Okay, this was huge play, guys. But check it out. Check it out how our guys made 200% on oil in the energy sector. The energy sector hit a bottom on Monday of 21.80. Dead bottom on Monday. 2180 right there. I alerted the trigger on Monday. Today it tagged 2565. It was a 500% on the weekly and 200% on the monthly on the energy sector. Okay. So this was our huge win for the day. Another 200% out of the box. And so at this time, I want to welcome all my regulars, Samir, Sharna, all you guys that are joining us. Welcome to stockmarketmojo.com. And welcome to the ERX play of the day. 200% up, calling the bottom in oil, and ripping up on both the unbalanced volume and the accumulation distribution line, and going towards a positive on the CCI. So we have some good indicators, and they're ready to fire. Looking good, looking sharp there. Okay. We have multiple other plays alerted. We're in the game, and we're looking good to, really go all out with a bang in this year-end rally. We called the rally on Friday at the close. We got long, and we haven't looked back. SPY has been up every single day this week, where everybody said it was going to crash and burn to 180. We're at 206 now. We got long at 199 on Friday. Okay, simple as that. If you guys followed me, you know this is what we did. And we will continue to make money for our customers, our subscribers, our followers, and we continue to do good for them, and we continue to add subscribers. We still have our holiday special. Sign up, stockmarketmojo.com, click on specials, and they'll get you in for the $1.99 it is. It'll pay off in the first trade. Or you can get the quarterly for $5.75. That's even a better deal. Okay? And I can, no, click on specials, Sam. Specials. Go to the website, click the link says specials. Let me know if you can see that. I'll pull it up for you. Okay. Stock market. Okay. Let's take a look. Specials. Okay, Samir. There's specials. Okay. There's your $1.99 or $5.75. It's right there. All right. So I want to get you guys hooked up. There's only a few days left to the end of the year, guys. I mean, really, if you're not in it, if you missed the last big days of the year, sometimes you make your entire, money for the quarter on one trade at the end of the year. So, I mean, those trades are coming. And, I would say that this would be a good time to sign up. Okay, well, Raj, welcome. Horatio, welcome. Mike, all right. So, let's go back to the charts. ERX, our winner of the day, and tagging from $21 and change to $25.50 in 2 days. 200% on the weekly. 500% on the weekly, 200% on the monthly. Called the bottom when everybody said oil's going to 20. Now he said no. Simple as that. Okay. Guys, it takes a lot of research, obviously, to make these calls and to bring these to you. And, I'm working hard to do that. And hopefully you guys enjoy my videos, my website, and my commentary. And, I want to bring you guys over to the team, and hopefully you guys will see the value. Okay. Let's go to Twitter. Let's see what Twitter's saying today. All right, let's take a look. All right, on Twitter we had Santa. Santa was showing up, and looks like they put a rumor out there, 46. It's a British newspaper, so it could be 46 pounds. If 46 pounds, that's $68. If it's $46, maybe that's a start of the negotiation. So, we continue to remain long in this stock. Obviously, there's going to be volatility, as everybody has seen on this stock. It got down to 25 and change this week and bounced right back. So, definitely there's going to be ups and downs. And, that's part of the game. Okay. All right. So around and take some of your questions. Okay. All right. Welcome everybody. All right. So, because the company has not confirmed a rumor, if the company confirms any of the rumors, then it's kind of too late, right? Then it'll be like 46. Yeah. So the company, yeah, we had the 2150s and the 22s, and we got them for $1.80 on Monday. Yeah, they hit 350. They hit 450, something like that. Yeah, yeah, the 2150s, and then we also had the 22s. So 200%, 2 days. Okay, I know Sharna. I gave you an idea about that on Monday, and I was hoping that you would sign up and you would have this trade, and it would have paid your whole year of subscription on one trade. Um, it depends on the futures. We'll see how the market looks in the morning. If I see something good, I will alert pre-market. If you're a subscriber, you will get that in your alert and you will know what to do with it. Simply, you'll have the pre-market. I have a whole thing I publish pre-market. It's in my direct private Twitter alerts. Subscribers get it first thing in the morning before market opens. Yeah, how you doing, guys? And I always get that dad guy. All right. January, third week January. Yeah, was my personal which third week. Some guys took the fourth week of December, and I think they might have made like 700% on that trade. Yeah, yeah. My personal was January third week. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I do okay, Sam. Yeah. I don't really want to show off. It's not about me. It's about you. I want to share the knowledge. You can ask my subscribers how they're doing, and if they're making money with my knowledge, and they could assist. They could tell you my calls. They're all time stamped. They're all on Twitter. They're all on StockTwits. You can have a look. No, Steve. Sorry, I don't wear undershirts. It's California, baby. Don't wear undershirts in California. Maybe back east. You know what I'm saying? But I got a nice jacket. Want to see my nice jacket? Okay. I just took my jacket off. All right. Okay. So, what else do we have, guys? So I want to get Sharna. Hopefully, I can get Sharna involved today. Sharna did a private tutoring session for you. I sent it out yesterday. I don't know if you got a message. It had a Q&A in there. And then I asked you to follow me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1 so that if I saw anything, I could send you a message. So I've yet to see that. No, the exact alert, the exact date that I want, all of that, exactly. Yeah, everything exact. Yeah. Yeah, you get exact on the alert. Yeah, you get exact. Yes, correct. Raj has it. And Raj has a whole printout. Yeah, Raj has a whole private printout of that. Yeah. But obviously he can't share because it's copyrighted, right? Yeah. But he has it. So I want to get a few of those. Yeah. Yeah. It says, buy ERX January call strike 2150 or 22 at $1.80 or $2, whatever it was at that time. Yeah, it's exactly like that. Exactly like that. Yeah, yeah, exactly like that. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, let's see. So let's go look at let's go look at something. Okay. I'm going to look at one thing. Stand by. Okay, Raj, are you there, buddy? Okay. All right, is Raj there? Is Raj there? Okay, Raj. Can I show them just your alerts from the 21st and that every single one of them hit out of the box? Can I just show them your alerts just from the 21st? Okay, there we go. Okay, Sam and Sharna, this is by Raj's permission. All right, look at that. Nike, January 135 call 240. We out at 350. Apple, January 110 call 150. It hit over 2. Blue, January call 240. It hit over 350. ERX, January 22 call $2. It hit 450. CMG, December 24 500 put. That hit $15. Okay. In fact, today it hit something like 25 bucks. Yeah. You guys got that? Yeah. Yeah. Sharna, you have it? Okay. You guys have it now? Sam, you have it? Sam, you have it? Have a look at it. Okay. There you go. All right. There you go. Any questions? It's the real deal, guys. It's date stamped. It's the real deal. That's all there is to it. I do the work, you guys make the money. Right? Yeah. So that's where we're at. Okay. Thank you, Raj. Appreciate you letting us share your private Twitter feed and for letting them know, see for themselves. Yeah. You know. Yeah. And we have alerts that are beyond even what you saw, and they're gonna go nuts. You know. So, man, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah. Yeah. So, you know. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully we can get you guys to sign up, especially Samir and Sharna. I want to get you guys a business for the holidays and get you something really good. Yeah, yeah, you did awesome. You did awesome. Yeah, you did even better than my 500 put. Yeah, yeah. I mean, everything went 300%. Yeah. Yeah, 200%. I made 200. You made 200. Yeah, everybody 2 to 300%. Yeah. I mean that one thing paid for his entire year. Yeah, great, good job, Raj. Proud of you. Proud of you. All right, so we got yeah, you know, a few hours of work. 3 hours of work. I don't have vision. I don't know what that stock is. Yeah, I don't have that. So yeah, we've been you know, doing great, and hopefully we'll have some more. My purpose is to educate others. Yeah, that's my purpose. Okay, sure. Go to the website, click the special, sign up. You get the pre-market tomorrow. We rock and roll, Sam. Waiting on Priceline. Waiting. Yeah. I have a few. Yeah, I have a few. But most of it, yeah, most of it, no. I mean, Relipsa, I'm still in there for 2 weeks. I didn't even sell it. Yeah. Relipsa has got more rumors. More rumors. Stock's still moving up. 28. It tagged 29 in after hours. Yeah. No. When I got into ERX, I closed that stuff out. Yeah. 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 So that's where we're at. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is question and answers for the stock market today. We're not a spirituality chat room. That would be next door. Thank you for visiting us, Christian. But yeah, if there's anything stock market related, we do answer that here. I know ERX. I'm still in it. I have runners on ERX. I closed the CLR. Yeah, 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 yeah. Great, great. Yeah, we're all just trying to get better, become better traders. Yeah, CLR is closed for now, and on the next rip up, I may get back into puts. Yeah, yeah. That's what I may do. Yeah. All right. No, HAR. I bought a couple of puts today when it was like 93. Yeah, it's still about there, about 93. Yeah, I have a couple of puts, and I'll be more strong once it starts going down, back down again. Yeah, yeah. HAR. I have a couple of puts. Not too heavy. I'm gonna wait for the market to start correction again before jumping full force on HAR. Yeah, it's a little bit of puts. Yeah, about a couple. Yeah, about a couple because it always kind of hits the 93, 94 that pulls right back. So I think that definitely it's still in the downtrend. But I mean, if it breaks out a downtrend, we get stopped out. But for now, it's still in the downtrend. Yeah. So yeah, great. Who else is in here? Let's see. Okay. All right. Eric's here. Hey, Eric. All right. Eric's doing good. All right. Yeah, it's a good short. Tesla's got the car. Google's got the car. Apple's developing a car, supposedly. MBLY is broken chart. It's looking like it's going down. Yeah. It looks like a short. Maybe time for puts on that. Yeah. Definitely. So, Anyway, what else do we have? Yeah. Raj, if you want to adopt a kid, the Steve guy's looking for a dad. Okay. Yeah. What else? Let's see. Let me look at my list and see. Yeah. Yeah, looks like we're doing good. CMG might be ready again, right? Once it hits the 515 gap fill, it's going to be, might get ready again for puts. Yeah. 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 So, Steve. All right, what else? Price line, we're waiting on it to turn. Yeah. And there's a few of our runners. Few of our healthcare stocks are doing really well. They're up 200-300%. Our CNCs, yeah, those are doing really good. I haven't sold those yet. No, the healthcare CS, yeah, CMG will be good for puts again. 515 to 520. Watch for that level. Yeah, it'll be good for puts again soon. And our longs on the healthcare, CNC I gave you last week. CNC is up 250%. Yeah, almost 300%. Yeah, yeah. So check that out. Check that out. Okay. Good job, guys. Really, really good job. Good job. Yeah. Great. You guys really, really, kicked ass today. Yeah. Yeah. I know a lot of the Relipsa folks joined us today. I want to welcome them. They're long Relipsa. Hopefully, we'll get a good news on that. More positive news. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're reviewing the market. We're sharing ideas. Do you guys, if you guys are have anything to ask, I can look it up for you. I can look up the chart. Yeah, yeah. I like win. I like win. Right now, it's kind of going towards the long side. It may break if it breaks 71, 72. It's probably taken off to about the 80 level. I like Netflix. I like Netflix. Good accumulation on the chart there. Very good accumulation. Yeah. So let's pull up the Netflix. Let's see what we can see on there. Okay. All right. So on the Netflix, we've had a kind of a distribution earlier, and now it's in an accumulation, and it's coming through here on a tight triangle wedge, and it looks like it broke the triangle wedge, or is trying to break that today. Yeah, it's trying to break that today, heading higher. I'm confirming on the accumulation distribution line as well, and also the CCI is turning from the negative, heading back positive. So I'm liking the Netflix setup right now. Yeah, very nice. Really like it. It could take a couple more days to complete the setup, but I like it today. Yeah, I might. I'm not exactly sure yet, Charna. I'll know pre-market. I'll know pre-market if that's the way I want to go. Yeah. And then I can alert you if I do go that way. I can alert you on that. So yeah, let's if Sharna, if you can follow me and if you can sign up, send me a DM on Twitter. I can add you to my direct Twitter list, and we can get you going in there. Yeah. FB, it's okay. It's okay at this level. I'm really gonna get excited if it breaks 106.50. Yeah. So that would get me excited. That would get me excited. Yeah. I don't have ATHX. I don't follow that. I follow 200 stocks. That's not the one of my that I follow. Oh, okay. All right, Sharna. Great, great. That'll be awesome. See if I have V or any of the other guys in here. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure. What about the stock market you want to talk about, Cobain? I like Apple. It's one of my picks for a turnaround in 2016. I like Apple. I gave it at 105 this week, and it hit 108.70 today. Our subscribers are up on it. It's a good trade that I'm making on Apple. Yeah. So I have that. Apple was setting up pretty nicely. It may tag, if it keeps going, it may tag the 50-day. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. Let's update that. Yeah, 50 days at right here, 115. So it's on its way. If it can get past the 112, 110, 112 level, it'll tag the 50-day at 115.46. That would be the first stop for Apple once it gets going. So it's just trying to go. It may go next week. It may go in January. Well, we just don't know. But once it starts going, that's the target, short-term target for it, for Apple. And you can see the accumulation distribution line is turning up. And you can see the CCI is kind of bottomed out. It's ready to turn up. ICPT, what was your question, Mike, on ICPT? Let me pull that up. All right. What was your question on ICPT? In the meantime, we'll study the chart. Okay. So on the ICPT chart, this, guys, is money coming out. Okay? The on balance volume, this is money coming out of ICPT. The accumulation distribution line says that after the accumulation, it is in the distribution phase. And even the CCI is now turning down. So in my opinion, at the 155 level, to me, it looks like it's going lower. Yeah, to me, it looks like it's going lower. I would not be long on it. Marty's right. Marty's a smart investor, Marty. So, definitely, I like Marty. Marty, I'm gonna follow you because I like your style. Yeah, I like your style, Marty. So Marty and me are on the same page on ICPT. We both think that it's headed lower, guys. No matter what Wall Street pumpers tell you, we see it as heading lower. The chart speaks for itself on ICPT. And, unless there's some fundamental news, somebody buys them out or puts money into their company or whatever it is, the chart says it's headed lower. News can change the chart. Yeah. To answer your question, Mr. Cobain, I run a homeless charity out of Santa Ana, and basically I take my van down there full of supplies for the homeless on a monthly basis, and I serve the community down there. Yeah, that's part of my charitable giving. Sharna, I don't know if I'll get the chance on Relipsa. I just don't know. I mean, tomorrow they could gap and go, right? They could gap and go and maybe get into the 30s, and the calls may get too expensive. But if I had a chance at it, I would probably buy a few more calls. Yeah, if I got another chance at the low price, the 27, 28 price, I'd probably buy some more. I've owned exotic cars in the past. Yeah, thank you, Eric. I appreciate it. Yeah. So, all right. Great. All right. Cobain, I feel that we're getting off topic again, so I'm going to try to keep it on topic. There's lots of people in here that want to learn about the stock market, so I want to keep it to the topic. Yeah. All right, so this was our chart on ICPT. We studied Apple, and we studied Relipsa, Netflix. Anyone else want to look at another chart? These indicators are firing pretty good today. As long as the indicators are strong, we have a high probability in our trade if we are trading with the indicators with the sentiment of the market. Yeah. I'm using on balance volume. Yeah, which is basically the up and down volume. So here it is, the on balance. That's kind of the money flow indicator. ICPT just moves like so. I'm gonna just stay away from it, but it does have looks like it's going lower. Yeah. Google had some good action today. Yeah, Netflix had some good action. Amazon, a lot of sellers, but then it held up. It came back. Yeah. So that was the story there. Yeah. So
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Thank you. Okay. All right. Let's see. Welcome everybody. Welcome the new people that are just joined us. Great. All right. Raj is here. Eric, Sharna, Patrick. All right. I would start with a spider index, the S&P 500, SPY, and that's typically outperformed a lot of the indices, and it's good. It's 500 stocks, diversified, and that's where I would start. Yeah, if it was, putting money for the long term, the SPY index is a good place to start. Yeah. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right. Let me get this focused properly. Okay. All right. So yeah, the CNCs is doing awesome for us. And the ERX killed it. The oil went up, what, $3 a barrel today after we called bottom on Monday, and it just rocked it. Yeah, just rocked, you know. So definitely that was a good trade. It was a 200% profit trade on the oil. Yeah. No. Definitely that's a dividend yielding stocks. I mean, I do own Apple, which is a good pays. I think it's like a 2% dividend. But yeah, yeah. You know, I'm up for 300% on CNC. You know, so I'm just I can watch. I raised my stop on it. Yeah, I just raised my stop. I'm just gonna watch it. Let's see if it continues to push. Yeah. So, you know, I'll be doing that. Okay. This around. I don't want to bore you guys with that chart right there. Bear with me for a second. Oh. All right, it's getting a little chilly. Put my jacket on and get back. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's cold out here today. I think I'm gonna have to turn the heat on a little bit. Okay. So we did a pretty good review. Hi, how are you doing? Okay, welcome to our stock market recap, and we're doing great at the on the energy sector today. We did great on some Nike, Netflix. You know, we're just kind of putting it all together. Yeah. If you're really serious about investing, I would talk to a broker dealer like Fidelity. They offer classes on investing, and I would start there. Yeah. At that 34 level, 33, 34 level on Monday, I thought it was a good temporary bottom. And when people were calling for 20s, I thought that was a good temporary bottom. That's when I alerted the long. And it worked out for us. We're really happy about that, really excited that it did work out. Yeah. So, that kind of stuff. Yeah. What was the question about the volume mastering? I'm not sure about that. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, let's sign up. I think we still have our holiday specials up on our site. Let's get you guys in. Yeah, volume is a good indicator for us. Yeah, volume definitely. That's one of the best indicators. Yeah. And we'll get you in our private Twitter alerts. Our private Twitter alert service. Raj knows about it. Sharna knows about it now, and Samir. Basically, it's a text alert. It tells you, which stocks, options that I'm interested in and what I'm trading. And, if you want to trade with me, that's one of the best tools that I offer. Yeah. So that's kind of where we're at. Thank you. Thank you for all the hearts, guys. Who's giving me all the hearts? Thank you. Thank you. Looks like everybody. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think Periscope is really going to like that. One of these days you'll be able to cash these in, huh? Who knows what you'll be able to buy with this from Periscope. Yeah, January, everybody comes back from vacation. Yeah, so January is going to be good volume. But, believe it or not, the last few days of December is where the big money is made. So this would be a good time, really. If you guys are thinking about signing up, you've taken the classes, you've been here with me for the last month or so, you've seen the videos on YouTube, this would be a good time to sign up, guys. I would encourage you to sign up and follow my Twitter at NaviAvatar1, and I can help you further. perfect this game of Wall Street, and see what we can do. Yeah, yeah. That's question and answers about the stock market. That's all it is. We're a group of traders, group of friends, and we talk about the stock market on a daily basis. That's all it is. Yeah, don't get your hopes up. It's not a DVD of Wolf of Wall Street or anything like that. Yeah. So, good, guys. Check it out. Check out my Twitter. You'll see the calls from the last few weeks. You'll see the videos, and you'll see what I've been talking about. And generally, stocks and options is what I do. Yeah, stocks and options. Calls and puts. If it's going up, it's going down, that kind of stuff. I don't follow Robert Kiyosaki. A lot of people call for crash. A lot of people call for Dow 36,000. I just trade the charts. If I see it, maybe I'll trade it. Generally with a stop loss, in case of an option, it would be like 50%. If I'm down 50%, I may exit. But if I'm really strong, if I'm really convicted in that position, I may want to hold it. But yeah, there's a book called Dow 36,000. There's a book. It's a very famous book. Yeah, there's going to be decay, right? Yeah, next week. Yeah, if you got next week, there's going to be decay. It's a short week. Yeah, either way. Either way. That's why I was trying to go for January, third week January. But, if you got some, some action, let's see what tomorrow brings. Yeah. Yeah, if you bought something for next week, if tomorrow, you can close them out, maybe, yeah. Anything is possible, yeah, Horatio? Anything is possible. Yeah, I like my indicators. I like the unbalanced volume. I like to see the CCI. I like to have the accumulation distribution line in my favor. I like to have the Fed in my favor, the macroeconomic. I like to have a sector that's in my favor. So a lot of things have to go in my favor before I recommend a stock or I buy it for myself. Yeah. So, a lot of factors that I take into consideration. That's great, man. That is great. Eric, this guy's really been paying attention. Kudos, my friend. Kudos, really. This guy is hungry to learn. I respect. This guy's hungry to learn. He's watching the videos. He's learning the ins and outs of Wall Street, and you are going to become a better trader, Eric. You are certainly on your way. You have a good sense. The stocks you sent me, I did my analysis on them. Those are good stocks. So continue with that good sense that you have. You're going to be rich, my friend, just from your portfolio. Yeah, you are. And, so just continue on that path and building that portfolio. No, I don't see that. U.S. dollar is strong, interest rates are going up, gold is going down. Nobody wants gold. Yeah. It's the greenback. Dollar bills. Everybody wants dollar bills. America is strong. Our economy is growing the most out of the Western world, including Europe. We're growing 2%. Europe is in a less than 1%, maybe even going towards a recession. And so that's what makes our dollar stronger, because our economy is actually growing. And that's what makes gold weak, because gold is a hedge. And if our economy is doing good, why do we need gold for? No, I have SPY, I have Starbucks, and I have most of the big cap, the stocks that I talk about, Facebook, I have that. I have small position in Twitter that I hope to build, and so I have some good long-term stocks. Yeah. And I just left them for a long time, and they keep going up. Microsoft, I have Microsoft. Yeah. No, stocks. Yeah. Yeah, options I use for, uh, 2 or 3 days trading, like swing trading. Stocks I use for long term. Yeah, I like it. 22, 23. It's kind of getting cheap right now. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I have a better tool for hedging, and it's called short QQQ, SQQQ. So if the Nasdaq tanks, the SQQ skyrockets. So I keep that. Yeah. No options. You can start an option account with $2,000 to $5,000. Yeah, you don't need 500. $2,000 to $5,000 to start an options account. Yeah. So easy to do. I mean, take a few classes, learn how options are, how to buy and sell. Yeah. Yeah. E-Trade, you can open E-Trade. Yeah, I have Ameritrade also. I usually use E-Trade Pro. It's on my phone. It's easy to do. Yeah, E-Trade Pro. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, yeah, 2000. Yeah, 2000 at E-Trade. Just to open an account. Now you can buy, you probably buy 10 calls of 10 different stocks, or buy 10 calls of Ellipsa. Just leave it there. If it gets bought out, your freaking account got funded with 50 grand, right? If it gets bought out, 2 grand turns into 50 grand if Ellipsa gets bought out. You know, yeah. TD is good. TD is good. Yes, yes. Let's look at it. Let's look at that. Let's look at. Sure, absolutely. Okay. All right. Let's look at this. Let's look at this guy. All right. Mobile Eye. Okay. So we've had accumulation in the last 6 months. Then we had kind of the unbalanced volume was like money coming out, coming out. Then it just kind of sideways for a bit. And then again, it kind of dipped last week. Again, kind of dipping last week. Money coming out, right? And then overall, this line is just continuing lower. Overall, right? Yeah, just continuing lower. And accumulation distribution, yeah, it's in distribution. Look at it, distribution, and then boom. Okay, and then it's got a CCI is kind of flattened out. And what happens when CCI flattens out? When CCI flattens out or goes towards the bottom, it may tick up a little bit. Mobileye, MBLY. It may tick up a little bit, or yeah, I mean, it could have a dead cat bounce before hitting to a negative 200 CCI. Could have a dead cat. And yeah, at 41.32 today, or what did that close at? Yeah, 40 high, low, previous close. Okay. Yeah, 41.32. Yeah, I mean, it might be a good value for puts here. Or you could watch one more day. And if it starts to break 40 again, you could get the puts. Yeah. Let's look at the resistances here. Okay. Here's your numbers. 50 days 44, you don't want it to get there. 200 days 48, you don't want to get there. Keltner channel, it's right in the middle, 41. As long as it's below 41.92 on the Keltner, it could be shortable. Yeah. So definitely not something to buy, but something to short. This is a channel that the stock travels in, and the channel for this stock is 37, 41, and 46. That's its channel. Anytime it's in the middle or gets over 41.92, it could go to 46. If it's below 41.92, it could go to 37. That's the channel for this stock. Okay. So hopefully that answers your questions on Mobileye, Raj. Okay. All right. Yes, Sal had some good questions. Sal, Go ahead with your question. Yes, you're welcome, Raj. Okay, I'll put that here. All right, so, Sal has some question about puts. Yeah, puts gives you, if a stock drops, the value of puts goes up, so you can buy and sell puts all the time. Yeah, yeah. Calls are if a stock goes up, the value of the call goes up, and puts is like if the stock goes down, the value of the put goes up. So if we want a stock to go down, we buy puts. If we want a stock to go up, we buy calls. That's how we do it. We just buy and sell. Buy calls, stock goes up, sell them. On a stock going down, buy puts, down further, we sell them. Yes, we are in control because we're not using any leverage. We're not. It's whatever we put in. Say a put costs $100. If it expires to zero, then we lose $100. But if the stock, say, takes a dump and it's by 10 points and the put was $1, it could go to 10 points. It could go to $10. So a $100 put could go to 1,000. If its stock drops 10 points and it was, say for example, a stock drops from 100 to 90 and it was a 100 put was $1, then at 90 the 100 put, the buck is going to be a $10 put at 90, right? It's a difference. Yeah. So when a stock drops, the put people make a lot of money. A lot of money. Generally, we make a lot of money when the stock drops, if we have puts. Sometimes we even make more on puts than calls. The whole market is manipulated. The whole entire market is manipulated for us to lose money. We just have to find ways around it and do what the big boys are doing to be able to take advantage of it. The entire thing is manipulated. Yeah. So, hopefully with the education, with knowledge, I've been doing it for 25 years, and you guys, really, if you study, and learn this thing, you could learn to master it. But I mean, it would take a long time to really know, how it works. But I'm here to help. It's an indicator. When you go to charts like stockcharts.com, you can pick up that indicator, Keltner channels. Yeah, it's on a drop down menu. Yeah, it's on the drop down menu when you put in your stock. You'll see Keltner channel. You'll see CCI. You'll see on balance volume. You'll see what's the other one? Accumulation distribution line. Yeah, it's on all the drop. Yeah, all the drop downs. You can run RSIs, you can run stochastics, all different indicators. The ones I've been using are working for me. You're welcome. Yeah. Apple is good. Apple looks like my turn here in the new year. My turn. But we'll see. We'll have to keep our eyes on it. Accumulation distribution line, basically, if the big guys, the big money, are they accumulating the stock or are they selling it to retail? That line tells us that. If the line is trending up, that means they're accumulating. If the line is trending down, that means they're selling it to retail. They're getting out. So you don't want to be buying a stock that the accumulation distribution line is going like that. Yeah. There's some of the indicators that obviously I picked up over the years, and you will learn on your own as well once you do study some charts. Yeah, and trend is your friend. There you go. That's a simple word. Trend is your friend. If it's going like that, it's going to continue to go like that unless it reverses, it breaks that, and then we have other indicators for that. Yeah, in fact, I told everyone that would listen to me. They were asking me at 30 to go long. I said it's going to 15, and it tagged exactly 15. I mean, this was like 2 months ago, less than 2 months ago, month and a half. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, but now anything can happen from 15. Now I don't know. I mean, it could go up again. Yeah. I think you might be okay. I think you might be one down day in the market that Mobileye is going to tank. Yeah, one down day. One down day that Mobileye is going to tank. And the valuation is stretched on Mobileye. It's a stretched valuation. It's still like, I don't know how many billion. And they make tiny little profit. And they have too much competition. Yeah, Under Armour's done well. I've done well with it. I've gone through it with 2 stock splits, and I think that it's gonna do just fine. Under Armour's gonna do just fine. Yeah. Yeah. I like Kroger. Good stock. Yeah. Horatio's got, this is a smart investor, Horatio. You know what you're doing. Yeah, this guy knows stuff. I'm gonna follow him. This guy knows stuff. Yeah. Yeah, this is another knowledgeable investor. That's what it's about, guys, making connections. I'm following knowledgeable investors, and if they have questions for me, I answer them. Sometimes they'll give me something that I haven't looked at. We did touch on it, but we'll touch on it one more time. No problem. Relipsa has news after hours. The British paper is reporting that AstraZeneca is in talks with Relipsa, offering $46 a share. Now, this is a rumor from the newspaper. It has not been confirmed by the company, so we do not know what's going to happen. But according to the rumor, the AstraZeneca is offering $46 for Relipsa. Based on this news, the stock hit 29 in after hours. So probably going to trade between 28 to 29 tomorrow, but let's see how it does. Unless the management confirms that they got a 46 offer. If the management confirms it, the stock is going over 40. I'd like to do that. Yeah. Now, the paper had a dollar sign, but since it is a British paper, I'm thinking maybe it was a misprint. It's supposed to have a pound sign. And the other thing is that even if it is a dollar sign, that is a entry-level negotiation, tactic to me, 46, when the ZSPH was sold for 80 or something. So, it could be an entry-level tactic. Yeah. 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 So definitely, if it stays at this 27, 28 level, guys, I will probably add some March calls, if I were you guys. If it stays at this level, I'll probably add to my position in March. But I don't know if it will, right? I mean, this is a big rumor. It's a big rumor. I don't know if it will. But if it does, we can add to our position. So basically, margin is money you don't have, right? You're borrowing from the bank, which is like the brokerage firm will lend you the money that you put in your stock. They will lend you 25 to 50% of that money. Yeah. So it's their money, right? You got to pay interest on it. And then if your stock tanks, they can sell your stock. So I wouldn't use it. We were talking about Relipsa a little while ago, yeah. Yeah. Relipsa looks okay, A lot of rumors flying around about that stock. Looks okay. Maybe one of these days the rumors are going to come true, right? I don't know, Sharna, if you're in it. But, if you're in it, good luck. Hopefully rumors will come true. If it stays in this range, 27 to 28, I would buy some March. Yeah. If it stays in this range. Now, if it takes off, it takes off, right? Yeah. Valiant has bounced back from the controversy, but it was value at $80, 120. I don't know. I mean, could be fairly valued here. Yeah. So welcome new followers. I really appreciate all the people that have joined me today. Thank you so much. I want to sign up some new members. Hopefully we can get you guys to sign up for our holiday special and get you guys on my private Twitter alerts, especially Sharna. We've been wanting to get her business, and a few of the other guys. Virgil, I haven't seen Virgil today, but hopefully he'll come in. He'll watch this on the replay, and I want to get him in there too. Let's see who else just joined us. Okay, all right. Well, this is great. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, Lulu's been okay. I mean, it was beaten down, right? If everybody remember that last year, it was in the 30s. That was the time to get that. Now, maybe it's fairly valued. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Good luck. Good luck. Hopefully we'll all come out on top tomorrow, or over the next few days. Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome, Billy. Thank you. Hopefully you can join us. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna view Billy's profile. William. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Who is this? Everything's good. Everything's good. No, I didn't. I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. I did buy Kythera, and that got bought out. KYTH. Basically, if you have a double chin like me, you have a little chin fat, you get these injections, and your chin basically gets flat. Just like you were teenager, and I got it in at about 40 a share. Got bought out at 75 last year. Kythera, KYTH. I got some Nike. Yeah, I took a bunch of it profit. Yeah, I got FDA approved. Yeah, FDA approved. Kythera. Yeah, they already got bought out by Allergan, AGN. AGN bought them out. Yeah. Um, I might, or I might, have exited Sharna. So follow and subscribe to get all that. Yeah, I had them this morning. Yesterday. I was out at bulk of it $3 from 2, and then I think a couple this morning around $4, $5. Yeah, yeah. So we got some of that stuff. Yeah. If you go to stockmarketmojo.com, you can click on videos, and it'll take you to the YouTube channel. Yeah. Okay. How you doing? How's everybody? Good. Well, at least follow me on Twitter and then DM me all your channels, and then I can hopefully pick up one of your channels. Sharna. All right. Okay, C-Bammer 6. Okay. All right. They have that actually on your brokerage. They have options for beginners. They have the tutorials. E-Trade has them. Ameritrade has them. Fidelity has them. Watch those videos. That would be my best place to recommend for you guys. Yeah. Me personally, 20, 30 times earnings. Is that a bubble? Used to be, 500 times earnings. That was a bubble. 20, 30 times, and they're okay. I suppose they're okay. That's that kind of stuff, right? So this is kind of where we're at, guys. Hopefully I get Sharna. I'm gonna do get you added to the my DMs. So when you sign up, I will send you a message there. And let's see, Horatio. It depends. Sometimes I won't play earnings, but when I do, like Google and GMCR, I hit it out. So it depends. Yeah. Yeah. All right, great. Okay, guys, let's do that. Let's do that. Perhaps, yeah, perhaps the debt bubble, maybe the debt bubble according to Cuban, yeah. Troy, you're a smart guy. Sal is smart. This is a smart guy. All right, Horatio, great. Hopefully we can get you on our team, Horatio. Sign up. We still got the holiday special going. Let's get you in there. Yeah. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Not all the time, but if something I'm very, very strong in, then I will. Yeah, Sal's awesome, really. Yeah. This guy is freaking awesome. Yeah. Okay. Great. Awesome. Thank you, Monica, for the recommendation. Thank you. Appreciate that. I have. Premium is selling is always good. Currently, we're doing buying premium. Yeah, currently we're buying premium. Yeah. Selling is also good. When the market's flat for a long time, as it was for a few months. We sold a lot of premium. Now the market is looking to turn, so we can buy premium. Okay. Well, terrific. Terrific. Okay. All right. Yeah, Sharna, she's on top. She knows. You know what's up, Sharna. You know what's up. At the money, usually at the money, a couple dollars out. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome. We had a good crowd today. We had a good crowd. Lots of good questions. Lots of good Q&A. I will point you guys to my website, stockmarketmojo.com. Watch the videos. Sign up and subscribe for my private Twitter alert service. Follow me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1. And, of course, on Periscope here. And for the latest and greatest news on the stock market. Yes. Close to strike price. Correct. Correct. No margin. No margin on options. You're welcome. Well, thank you guys. Thank you once again. Sharna, we're going to be in touch, so stand by. And the rest of you guys have a great evening. Please sign up. Please sign up on a brokerage account, E-Trade or Ameritrade, and watch the videos. Google has some good videos on how to trade. Your Google search will get you sped up on those. Yeah. All right. YouTube. That's it. That's the best one. That's the best one. Yep. Yep. Great, guys. Awesome. Awesome. Well, you guys have a great evening. If I don't see you, if you guys are taking off tomorrow or half the day, if I don't see you, have a great Christmas and holiday season. Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all of the happy stuff. Peace on earth. And, let's make money this holiday season. I want to help you guys. So, yeah. 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 Usually 1 month out. Yeah. Yeah. Mobileye. All right. Well, these guys are awesome. These guys are awesome. Yeah. Tomorrow, yeah, Mobileye. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully. And Harman, too. Would be nice. Great. Yep. You got to do it. Find a way. Find a way. Got to do it. Got to do it. Okay. Oh, great. Kobe, Clockwork, Troy Salas. This is a smart guy. Troy Sal. All right. Yeah. Win. Yeah. I had my couple of my runners, but I'm waiting for it to start pointing down again so I can activate. Yeah. I had my runners though. Okay, great. Thank you, Dennison. Thank you. All right. Great. For my subs, V and Dave and Justin and all the rest of them, Marha, please watch the video, and you guys will be getting all that info in the pre-market, and let's continue to make some money. Yeah. And of course, Raj is available. Raj is available. All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take off. And yeah. All right. And I'll leave this up on the replay for everybody. Okay. And hope to see you on my private Twitter, and hope to earn your business this holiday season. Okay. Have a great evening. Okay. Bye, everybody.